My name is Davidson. I'm Israeli. I live here in Berlin for 13 years already. And I saw something very interesting. My best companies consumed venture debt after we, as venture capitalists, invested significant amounts of money in those companies. And those venture debt providers helped us get into the IPO stage, trade sale, or profitability without dilution for us or for the founders. And they also had a very nice return. Win, win, win. And I was quite amazed to find out nobody is doing it in Germany. And there is a big need in this country. It takes a long time to convince, since it's a new product for most of the people.
Since we have such a solid business model, for us it was clear that we need to look at other financing options, and venture debt for us was the perfect solution. It allows us to grow without losing a lot of shares in our company. But you really have to make sure that the people behind are people that you can trust. We found Iran and we were really convinced by this form of capital and that it perfectly fits our business model, and that we can really align interests and help the company grow to the next level.
I learned that venture debt is really needed in this country. I learned also there is a kind competition, but the need is 10 times bigger than what we can provide, all of us. Venture debt is growing, I would say 100% year by year. We deploy bigger and bigger amounts. Still, most of it comes from the US, not even from Europe. We created a nice portfolio of already 7 companies in 20 months.
We decided to invest in high-tech companies as debt fund out of Israel. We choose Berlin because we understand that high-tech, it's not only the technology. High-tech, it's way of living.
So I have a number of investments in my portfolio. I have venture capital, I have private equity, I have a number of direct investments in companies, but I felt that venture debt was an important part of my strategic asset allocation. The Davidson fund is my first venture debt investment. I like its placement of importance on being in Germany. I think the German market in particular makes sense for venture debt. I chose to invest in Davidson venture debt fund because of him, and I've seen him active in businesses, I've seen him as a person, and I know how he feels about the companies that he invests in and the people that he surrounds himself with.
My investors, my co-workers, colleagues, and maybe most important, the founders of those companies actually, they give me a lot of energy. All of those portfolio founders are becoming good friends, and their passion and energy gives me a lot of energy too. So we could be, and we are very picky, very careful, and the key factor is working with people we like always.